Hello there. In this video I will show you a two-sample t-test in Excel, so you could say with confidence that the mean of two samples are statistically different. This can be applied to any two sets of data, like process yield, concentrations, or any type of measured values assuming they are normally distributed. To perform the test, you need at least duplicate measurement values. More data would make the outcome stronger, but in real processes, we do not have the time or money to run more than 10 or even 2 repetitions of an experiment or process. To start, arrange the data of the two samples to compare in different columns. Go to the Data tab and then Data Analysis. You will see a t-test for equal variances and another for unequal variances. When we want to compare two samples that were subjected to the same conditions or process, we will expect same variances. However, if you want to demonstrate this, we should conduct a test for variances in first place. In practice, you can quickly see if the variances are similar by calculating the F value. So first, we calculate the variances of each sample and we will assign S1 to the higher number. Then we calculate the F value. If the value is close to 1, then it's very likely that the variances are similar. Our calculated F value is 1.842, which I would say is very close to 1. However, you can verify this by performing an F test. Go to the Data tab and then Data Analysis and select F-test two sample for variances. Select your data. If you included labels when you select the data, check on this box. The alpha value is 0.05. The lower the alpha value you choose, the more difficult it will be to determine that samples are different. In other words, the test becomes more exigent in terms of determining differences. Select an output range for the results and then click OK. The most simple way to see if the variances of samples are different is to compare the p-value. The p-value for the test is 0.314 and our selected alpha value was 0.05. As p 0.314 is higher than 0.05, we cannot say that the variances are different. Then we assume that the variances are equal. You can also say that there is no evidence to reject the null hypothesis, which is S1 equal to S2. So coming back to the t-test, you need to go to the data analysis and now select a t-test for equal variances. Select your data again. Check the labels box and select an output range. Here we will use the same method to determine differences for the two samples. So we check the p-value for the test and it's 0.0054, and the alpha value chosen was the same, 0.05. So we can see now that the alpha value is higher than the p-value. So in this case, as the p-value is lower than alpha, we can say with confidence that sample A or process A is different than process B.